last night. I probably had like 3 hours of sleep. Tyler had even less sleep. So yeah, it's been a really long day. And our flight got delayed. So yeah, I'm just really excited to be here and like finally be on vacation. It's also my first time like filming a vlog, so I'm sorry if it's super janky. Am I even recording right now? Yes. Okay, cool. But yeah, I really have to pee. We just got to the resort. We're just getting our welcome drinks and ordering food. And yeah, I will be back soon. Bye. So we just woke up. It is day 2. As far as these go, we were on the beach and there were all of these people trying to sell us like massages and bracelets and braids. They wanted to braid our hair. So I was like, I don't know. I wanted my hair braided anyway, just to kind of keep it low maintenance because I have a lot of hair. It's super thick. Don't come for me. This is like our little deck area. And we're gonna go out for breakfast. There's like a little breakfast area out here, so I'll take you. Cut straight to snorkeling. We are snorkeling now. So Tyler did some of the editing for me, and I love how he felt the need to add my Instagram handle there. Can we just take a moment and appreciate how gorgeous this brain coral is? iguana is like my spirit animal. Him and I were just making eye contact. We are bros. Really, really awkward vlogging in public. And I'm definitely second guessing even uploading any of this. I noticed that no one tries to talk to me while I'm vlogging, so maybe I'll always pretend like I'm vlogging. That's probably a good trick. Really? So glad you're feeling better, Tristan.
There was one in Mexico that they put ice cream in their Mai Tai. Alright, I gotta try the mojito.
Okay.
Yours is strong, but I like mine better.
Like the Mai Tai?
Mine's more refreshing.
Oh. It's really strong.
Really good. So is yours.
Wow.
Mine is too.
What'd you order, the margarita? Do you like it? Coke for Tristan since
Wanna try it?
he wasn't feeling well earlier. Good morning. I'm dying so hard right now at the fact that no one was having it. Like, no one gave a shit about my good morning. I did so much floating in this pool, like literally just like dead man floating. It was so relaxing. Yeah, it's wet. No.
What is she doing?
Did I get it right? Is it?
I think you need to like
A little bit. Oh, yeah.
Why do you have that on your head, Tristan?
Sensitive subject. Well, when you have no hair.
Okay, so in Roatan, their pharmacies will sell you pretty much anything without a prescription, and I mean anything. So, of course, I was inquiring about what I could buy. Obviously, strictly for research purposes. Michigan. All of that stuff. The only thing you have to be aware of is that it's actually not the same chemical compounds. It's the factories that they make those pills in are not regulated by any sort of FDA. Kind of like how, like black market makeup. What's the word I'm thinking of?
Counterfeit.
Counterfeit makeup. It's the same reason why you shouldn't buy counterfeit makeup. It's because the chemicals in it aren't really approved. So when you take these pills, it's not gonna, you don't really know what's in it. It's a really cute little food place right here. T-shirt shop. Okay, so if you guys go to Roatan, you need to hit this shop up. This artist is amazing.